Hey y'all, welcome to week 6. This is the first week of this summer term that we see the difference between an 8-week summer term and the 11-week fall, winter, spring term. Up until now, this course has been identical to the Writing 122 course I taught in the spring. But right now, we're starting to double up because we have to compress it. There is just not time. So instead of having week 6 for the works cited draft and week 7 for the rough draft, they're both together. That's the reason why I opened up last week the entire rest of the term for you to be able to see what's going on. I was hoping that last week when you were writing your proposal, I had asked you to already start doing your research. And if you've done that, then having a works cited draft that's due by Wednesday, let's look, should be really no problem. This is a draft. I use that word very literally. I don't expect this to be your final works cited page. Research is not a linear process. You're always adding and subtracting sources up until the very last minute. But I want on Wednesday for you to have something to show me that you can find credible sources. Gives me a chance to look too, before you write your rough draft, to see if I could add something to it or help you with any problem. And we also get the format done so that you don't have to worry about it anymore, hopefully after Wednesday. Then your rough draft is due on Sunday. We will not have peer editing. We just plain don't have time. But I will be able to look at your rough drafts and give you some feedback. I'll be mainly looking to see if there are any major problems, to see if you have a thesis, to see how the organization is, and just basically to catch anything. Notice what we do have, we're a little tight in terms of time constraints, but we do have another Zoom forum with the librarian who can help you both refining your topic and finding sources. Have this on Wednesday from 2 to 3. Your works cited draft is due that night at almost midnight, but you might find this helpful, and no matter what, whether you finished or not. Anyway, let me know if I can help, and hopefully you are well on your way to a fantastic research paper. Talk to you soon.